just put it a little bit lower. Just use some of the torch. Hi, my name is Jason, and I am owner of Gangnam Korean restaurant. And today I'm gonna cook Gangnam style spicy pork. Do you just feel like there is no air left to breathe? So I got the pork here and all the ingredients I'm gonna use today. So basically I got gochujang, which is most important for spicy pork, and some other sauces. The meat what we are using, it's the shoulder parts, because why we use shoulder parts is because it's not too oily. You can use pork belly. It depends what you like. If you like fatty, then you use pork belly. If you like more meaty, you use shoulders. So you have to marinate it always. Long hours, better taste always. So we will start with putting some gochujang. Gochujang is Korean chili paste. You need this. You can easily get anywhere. So yeah, some gochujang and blended garlic and onion. Koreans, they love garlic and onion, and I think every meal you eat Korean food, I think they put this. So a little bit of those, and corn syrup to make the flavor all together, and sweet. Yeah, and some soy sauce, and sugar, chili powder. Now you just have to mix. Gochujang and sugar goes together. When you cook with the fire, it gives out smoky flavor. I always recommend to my customers, try this. If it's your first time Korean, you're gonna try spicy pork. I always put 1 day. One day it's my minimum to marinate it. So yeah, if you are cooking at home, 3 hours, 6 hours, you will tell the difference every hour. So yeah, you wrap it up well, and then you put in the chili. I think after 3 days, 3 to 4 days, it will start to make the water and the blood comes out. So that's when it's not the best quality. So yeah. When I eat spicy pork, it reminds me the old restaurants in Korea. Like they cook outside with the charcoal, and like grandmother's cooking. It's not very hygienic, but it tastes the history of the restaurant. So yeah, always reminds me of old restaurants in Korea. So after 6 and 12 or 1 day marinated spicy pork, that's how it looks like. It's sticky. And they prepare veggies, what you like: cabbage, carrot, onion, and some leek, to make some colorful dish. And yeah. All right, you need a wok. And always make it flat. I don't like to stir like all the time. I want to cook the bottom part first and then mix, so it's evenly cooked. So when you see the meat color changes to brownish, then you can stir up. I think it's a little bit brown now, so you can turn. Because vegetable got lots of water in there, so I want it to be fully cooked and then put the vegetables in it. So, when do you know when it's fully cooked? When it gets darker, like when you see some black stuff on the meat, then that's fully cooked. Little bit of burn tastes better for spicy pork. Okay, so I think pork is ready. And now you want to put the vegetables down. A little bit of oil. Well, I was sad for first week, but after that, I was enjoying. I was riding horses, you know, like traveling with my parents. But in Korea life, you can't really travel that much, and you know, parents always working. But yeah, it was good. First month was really good. They had to sacrifice a lot, I guess. Well, if I think now, I didn't know when I was young, but yeah, about their family mainly, and their friends as well, and well, their hometown, and all those stuff. Okay, I think it's almost ready. Just put it a little bit lower. And then if you have torch, just use some of the torch. A little bit of sesame seeds for decorating as well. I don't know why I always start with rice. I don't know. It's weird, but yeah. And then the pork. The smoky flavor. It's about the smoky flavor for the spicy pork. If there is no smoky flavor, it's not spicy pork. If you like this recipe, please subscribe StoryBites and see you next time.
Do you just feel like there is no